when I realized that India is ready for prime time for e-commerce, and every country is inventory led, I saw an opportunity to create Alibaba or Amazon third party business type of business in this country. So that's how I started ShopClues. Came here within raised only 1.95 million from 15 of my friends who knew me for many years, and within first year we became the fourth largest, right? And the fourth year of operation, we became a unicorn. And that, for that time, the fastest to reach unicorn and least amount of money was spent to reach unicorn. And that record, by the way, is not broken even today, right? And but then my, the life deals different type of cards. So I actually in a during a family vacation and a fundraising trip to US, I ran into a legal trouble where I was arrested by FBI for an allegation of insider trading, as my role as a Wall Street analyst, nothing to do with Room, nothing to do with ShopClues. And it was like, and in literally that day, uh, basically my life changed, right? I mean, all of a sudden, right? I mean, I was on the front page, but for this time, not or for a good reason, and it was really bad. And I had to now stay in USA for 14 months. Uh, I used to run ShopClues when it was a night in San Francisco. That's where I used to live dealing this legal case, which used to be daytime in India. And during daytime in USA, I'll be dealing with either my attorneys and the regulators with whom I was cooperating and working with them. So I was there for 14 months. After 6-7 months into that, I resigned from my formal position to appoint someone else as a CEO. And I knew where all the company was dependent on me, so I fulfilled all my responsibility. You can never give up on your baby until you know he or she will be fine.